English you can live in. Safe at home. I tap my phone. The screen lights up bright. Check the cams in the living room at night. Alerts pop up if the door's ajar. I lock and unlock without going far. I talk to my fridge. It tells me the stock. Turn lights on and off. I never walk. Sensors blink when the window shakes. I get a ping when the mailbox wakes. From couch to kitchen, I run the show. No paper list, it's all in my flow. Feeling secure while sipping my tea, smart home life is as easy as can be. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.